What's up, folks? Honey's morning update. 11:15. Here we go. We came off this crucial level right here, which was the 25 to basically 31, 30 back yesterday. That's the 100-day moving average, and we just we went straight up. Convening up here, 45, 14, 15 area. We'll see if that holds. To see overnight low. Quite the wall here at 33 as of now. All this down to all this is broken shit down to 420. This will be repaired at some point. I'm not saying now. I'm just saying we will revisit this because it is first of all these singles, and then we had broken auctions all the way through down here. So. Eventually 44.20, write that down. That's going to be a level that we're going to watch at some point. Pretty much following Mr. Happy Green line, 44.34 is that line. So we'll see how this goes. 68.70. I think that, we start to lose this level, then we could start chewing into this, but as of now, we have some decent volume up here, and then we end our 60-day volume at 45.70, so that's going to be an interesting level here. Here's your daily, right? We came down, popped, and then have had the most unrealistic 400-point rip. This doesn't happen very often, and it makes me nervous that this is, going to continue. So I don't like the market structure at all right now. And so I'm not going to, I'll probably not trade today. I'll probably watch just because I think it's too high and probably could go further up. And I don't want to short it, but I don't like buying up here. It's just kind of that weird. I just don't like it. Here's your monthly, and this is kind of what we're going to have to start looking at as we blasted through all our other levels. 45.66 is your September high. And then this 21 level is going to be 46.21 is probably going to be fairly interesting. So I would look at 45.66.70 and then 46.21.20 would be my next upside major targets. Other than that, I don't know. Again, you're looking at, here's your all-time high. But I could see a taparoo of this 46.36, or, maybe the 45.70 here, which is kind of this level here. I don't know. I'm just, to me, this is fucking unrealistic. That's all. And, some people would argue with me, whatever. Market's the market, and that's fine. And we trade the market. This is ridiculous. You just don't see 10% rallies like this in 3 weeks, right? Straight up. Has been no consolidation, no break, no nothing. And great if everybody caught it, but I guarantee most people didn't. So anyway, that's kind of where I'm at. I don't know. 45, 25, 27 area. We're above that now. That was my other level. And to be honest, we get into the 46.86. Was this a double top here? Do we top again? Do we hit that 46.34 and come back down? I don't know. This is just crazy to me. So when I don't understand, I sit out. Here's your euro, came back down, and then you had a ripper up into almost the 09 level. It's down small today, so we're going to keep an eye on this. Ginormous cash gap, right? 47 points, 58 to 44.11. This cash gap, this one got filled, 0597. We're going to remove that. This little guy up here, 15.14, 1 point, basically, I'd watch that. Then my next one is going to be 45.76, 45.50. So I'd watch that. That R2 45.41 might be an interesting level as well on the SPX. And then, whatever. This may at some point. So what we've done is typically what happens, right? So the way down, we gap, right? And then on the way up, we just start filling those gaps. This is kind of how the market moves. And now we've screamed up, and now we're going to look at some point to start filling these downside gaps. And we have quite a few, but we will see when that happens. NVIDIA is above 500. So NVIDIA has basically grown 10 years worth of earnings in the last few weeks. Apple holding steady, hasn't really ripped. So I think I should put Microsoft on here because I believe that they weigh more. So ES up casual 20 this morning, Dow up 122, and NASDAQ up 108. We have CPI, some other stuff coming out today. I really don't see a variation of this long structure probably until next week or the week after. We've got holiday week next week. So, and then we're going to get into December holiday trade, which should be interesting this year. I don't know what to expect. Anyway, so that's kind of it. I'm going to kind of hands in my pocket unless something glaring. I don't like where we're at. I'm uncomfortable. Anyway, stay safe. I'll be in and out of the room today.